Long before borders were drawn, land was life. In the heart of Ashanti, the people of Offinso lived with courage and loyalty.
When war broke out, the warriors of Offinso stood firm. Their bravery helped secure victory in Ashanti history.
The Asantehene offered a reward to the Offinsohene, anything he desired.
He could have chosen gold or power, but he chose land.
Land was not for one man alone. It was a promise for generations.
Today, the Mmoaninko Festival celebrates wisdom and unity.
Mmoaninko Festival is more than land. It is legacy.